Hello everybody, it's Ira, Project Help You Grow. I am here at WorkWise in San Francisco. This is the event space where we're going to be having the event Grow and Excel on October 17th. It's a Thursday. We're going to do it from 6:30 p.m. We're going to do networking, and then we're going to go through 9 o'clock with the class and more networking. But anyways, I'm here and I just wanted to give you guys kind of a sneak peek at what the event space looks like. Of course, it'll transform a little bit for the event, but we're going to turn the chairs around and make it a giant theater style room. It's going to be a lot of fun. So if you are looking to add local connections here in the San Francisco Bay Area, or you want to learn how to use LinkedIn more, or both, and you don't want to spend any money, all you need to do is RSVP with me for the free event. Again, it's going to be Thursday, October 17th in San Francisco, and it's going to be downtown in the financial district. And all you have to do to come is let me know you want to go. No cost, no sales pitch, nothing like that. It's going to be free networking and a class on how to grow and excel on LinkedIn. Look forward to seeing you guys there and hope you're as excited as I am. This space is super, super cool. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you again real soon.